Hi everybody, it's Katie Austin and I'm so happy you're here.
My program is the perfect way to find daily motivation anytime, anywhere. I want you to feel your best self because that's what you deserve. No matter what fitness level you are or what type of workouts you enjoy, I'm here to personalize your fitness journey and help you every step of the way. I know we're all busy, so let's simplify getting healthier together. Fitness and eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. I've created this program to realistically and practically fit into your life. Recipes with 5 ingredients and workout classes in just 5 feet of space. Choose from my ever-changing daily workouts or the hundreds of classes in the on-demand section. My classes range from beginner to advanced, from 5 minutes to 45, from HIIT, strength, Pilates, dance to yoga. The most flexible workout program for you and your goals. Plus, there's hundreds of simple, delicious, healthified recipes out there. I want you to not only achieve your fitness goals, but to feel happy, energized, and confident every single day because you are worth it. So download my app today, press play, and let's get stronger together.